Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Here we have to scroll and obviously find the contact for which we would like to assign the photo. So let me choose this one. Just tap on the specific contact and then tap on this edit icon in the right corner, so this pencil icon. Then let's tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle, and as you can see here we've got different options from which we can choose. Usually we'll also have Google Photos and illustrations. Of course it is connected with your Google account if you've got one added to the device. So here in the device photos we can choose the photo from the gallery, or we can immediately open the camera app to take a photo of someone who's right in front of us, or we can choose the monogram. So basically just tap on the circle and you can either use the first letter of the name or surname of the person, or you can completely change it and enter whatever you like. You can change the background color or the font. You can also use the emoji, so it's totally up to you. After tapping on emoji, just tap on, in my case, this heart inside, and now you can select something different. So for example, something like that. I also wanted to show you, let me go back to the device photos and we will quickly take a photo of this flower next to me, so I can show you how the customization, let's say, works. So after taking a photo, I know it is blurred, no worries, just tap on this tick icon, and here in this step you can change the position of the photo. You can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.